Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve Cambridge IGCSE ICT paper 3 exam paper. Okay, this is May June 2021 and this is paper 32. For this question paper I have solved the website authoring task. You can go through my channel to find the video. Okay, so let's go to the data analysis task. Okay, so you're going to use a spreadsheet to calculate the sales price of underwater cameras. All currency must be in pounds to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we need to take note of this. Open and examine the files camera housing in a spreadsheet package. These files will be used to provide data for your spreadsheet and must not be changed. Okay, so let's open the file. Okay, so we need to open housing and camera housing, and then housing. Open and examine the file says in your spreadsheet. Okay, so let's open the file cells. Place the text prepared by, okay, followed by a space, your name, your center number and candidate number right aligned in the header. Okay, insert header, right aligned, space, followed by your name, center number and candidate number. Name, center number and candidate number. Okay, that's done. Okay, data has been placed into cells B4 and B9 to help you test your model. Save the spreadsheet with the file name, okay, cells, center number, candidate number, just like this. Okay, file, save as. Then your center number, then your candidate number. Change the file format and then save. Format the spreadsheet to look like this. Okay, so first of all we need to merge these following cells. So let's do this first. Okay, we need to merge cell A1 to B1, A1 to B1, merge. Then cell, okay, it has to be 13-point text and on a pale blue background. Okay, 36. Okay, 36. Yeah, 36, and it should be blue background. Okay, pale blue background. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this text, then adjust this. Okay, then merge the cells A3 to B3, A3 to B3. This is A3 to B3. Then we need to also merge A8 to B8, A8 to B8, and A13 to B13. Okay, so all of the cells that we just merged should be 8-point black text on a pale blue background. Okay, So I'm going to select them together. 18. Okay, it should be 18. Okay, and it should be on a pale blue background. Okay, that's done. Okay, now let's look at this image and format accordingly. Okay, so this, it has just 2 lines, and we can see that vertically it is aligned to the center. Okay, so just 2 lines. Okay, and then vertically aligned to the center. Oh, excuse me. Okay, vertically aligned to the center. That's done. Okay, row 2 is reduced, the size of row 2. Okay. Okay, all of this looks like bold. Okay, so I'm going to make them bold. Okay, they're bold. And it's center aligned. Yes, done. Okay. Okay, all of this is right aligned. Right aligned. Right aligned. Okay, and the others are left aligned. Okay, they are all left aligned. Okay, what else? Okay, row 7 and row 12 is also reduced. Okay, row 7. Okay, and then row 12. Okay. Package total. Okay, this is bold. It is bold. Okay, so that's it. Okay, this is done. Okay, so enter a formula in cell B5. Where's cell B5? Okay, this is cell B5. This is B5. Okay, depending on the camera code, looks up the make and model of the camera from the file camera. Okay, depending on the camera code, so this is the camera code, and then we need to find the make or model. So let's look at the file camera. So this is the camera code, this is the make or model. So we are going to make use of VLOOKUP. So equal VLOOKUP. Okay, look up this in the table array. Okay, in this table array, comma. Okay, our column index is 2, then false. Okay, so we have the value. Enter a function in cell B6, which depending on the camera code looks up the price, okay, from the file camera. Okay, so here's the price, I believe. Yeah, this is the price. Okay, based on this code also. Yeah, based on the camera code, it looks up the price. Okay. Okay, so we are going to use VLOOKUP also. Okay, based on the code, the table array would be from here up to here, up to price, comma, our column index is in column 4. Okay, and then false, which is exact match. Okay, so we have the price. Okay, enter a function in cell B10. Okay, where is B10? Okay, this is B10, which depending on the housing code looks up the make and model from the housing file. Okay, so this is the housing file. So we have the housing code and we have the make or model. Okay, depending on the housing code finds the make or model. Okay, so we are using VLOOKUP also. Okay, based on this code, okay, the table array would be from here up to here. Okay, comma, and the column index will be 3. Okay, false, then close. Okay, we have the value. Enter a function in cell B11 which, depending on housing code, looks up the price. Okay, looks up the price. Okay, so here's the price depending on the housing code. Okay, we are going to also make use of VLOOKUP equal VLOOKUP. Look up this value, okay, in the table array, okay, from here up to here, comma, our column index, okay, our value is in column 5, and then exact match, close. Okay, that's done. Okay, enter a formula in cell B14 to calculate the price of both camera and housing. Okay, in cell B14, okay, both camera and housing. Okay, so we use the equal this plus this. Okay, that's it. Enter a formula in cell B15 to show the discount percentage that will be applied. Discount percentage that will be applied. Use the package price to extract the figure from the discount table. Okay, so we have a table called, okay, a discount table. So meaning that it's going to look at, follow this discount table to know what is the discount percentage, and we need to have the formula here. Okay, so we are going to make use of the if function. Okay, so equal if, so if, excuse me, if this value, okay, is less than, okay, I can't is less than this value, then use this value, sorry, display this value, comma, okay, if this value is less than this value, comma, then, okay guys, you can check the codes from here, then display this, comma, if, okay, I'm going to finish up here, if B14, okay, if this B14 is less than this value, then display this value. Okay, display that value. Okay, because this is the last one, so we just say else display this value, and then we close. Okay, we have 3 closing tags, 3 opening, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but we need this to be okay, we need to divide this by 100 because it's a percentage, so we need to divide it by 100 to have decimal. Okay, so the formula, I'm just going to type divide by 100. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, enter a formula in cell B16 to calculate the discount amount to be applied, which is the package price multiplied by the discount percentage. Okay, package price multiplied by discount percentage. Okay, so this price multiplied by, excuse me, multiplied by this discount percentage. Okay, so equal this, okay, times this. Okay, so that's the discount amount. Enter a formula in cell B17 to subtract the discount amount from the package price. Okay, discount amount, this is the discount amount, okay, from the package price. This is the package price. Okay, so equal this minus this. Okay, so now this is the package price. Okay, the user enters a code for the camera and a code for the housing. Enter a formula in cell A19 to display appropriate error message. Display appropriate error message if the camera code, okay, the camera code, camera, for the housing, okay, does not match the code for the camera. Okay, so what this question means is that a user is going to type the camera code and is going to type the housing code. So how to know that this camera code and the housing code match? Okay, so we are going to use VLOOKUP, to use this value to find the correct code, camera code. So when we use VLOOKUP to extract the correct camera code, so we will now use the if statement to compare. Okay, meaning that, okay, I'm just going to type a VLOOKUP here. So we'll say that equal VLOOKUP this value, okay, in the table array, in this table array, comma 2, comma 0. Okay, so when a user type this code and this code, the system will look up this code. Okay, it will look up this code and brings up this one. Then we are now going to use an if function to compare this value and this value together to make sure they are the same. Okay, so to do that also we need to add the if function. So we'll need to type the code here. Okay, I'm just going to copy, let's see, copy the code and then place it here. Okay, so I'm going to edit the formula and start with if, okay, if B4, okay, this value does not match, it does not match the answer that will be provided by this VLOOKUP function, then it should display code is wrong. Okay, just any appropriate message. Okay, code is wrong, else display empty. Okay, so the reason why it's displaying empty is because this code matches the code that is obtained by the VLOOKUP function using this value. Okay, so this is done. Apply the appropriate formatting to column B of the spreadsheet. Okay, so column B, so all the price, every price. Okay, I'm just going to leave this because it's in percent. Okay, so we need to make it, according to the question, it has to be in pounds. Okay, it has to be in pounds and 2 decimal place. So currency, Okay, pounds to decimal. Okay, and that's it. Okay, save your spreadsheet and then print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Okay, so save. So to show the formula, go to formula and then show formulas. Okay, you need to adjust this so that your formulas are fully visible. Okay, you may adjust this. Okay, file, print, page setup. So what's the printing instruction? Okay, it says row and column headings are displayed. Row and column headings are displayed. Sheets, row and column headings displayed. Okay, but this is 4 pages, so we are just going to make it landscape since it's not stated. Okay, so if this is landscape, it becomes 2 pages. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can actually adjust this. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is still file, print. Okay, since the number of pages is not stated, so this is fine. Okay, or maybe you don't even need to print this page. Okay, since we only need to print the part that is showing formula. Okay, so you can just maybe select. You can select and then file, print. Okay, print active. No, print selection. Okay, so it will only print this page. Okay, print your spreadsheet showing the values. Okay, to print the spreadsheet showing the values, then we need to make this to show values. Printout fits on a single page. Row and column headings are not displayed. Okay, it fits on a single page. Print on a single page. Row and column headings are not displayed. Go to sheet and then okay. So we don't have row and column headings and it fits on a single page. That's done. Okay, model this spreadsheet for a customer who wishes to buy camera C013 and use it with housing H025. Okay, so we need to change the value. So we need to change this value to C013. Okay, C013, and then the housing code is H025. A025. Okay, so we can see that it says code is wrong because this formula that we wrote here took this value, okay, to check, to bring the camera code, and then we use the if function to compare this code with the value that is brought out by the VLOOKUP. Okay, so print your spreadsheet showing the values. It should print, the printout should fit on a single page and row and column headings are not displayed. Okay, so print. Okay, first of all, row and column headings are not displayed. Okay, and your printout should fit on a single page. Okay, this fits on a single page, and that's it. Okay, so that's all for this question paper. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.